Pawtucket, and welcome to episode 4 of Cooking with Our Community. I just wanted to thank you just for you being you. Just a good job. You're doing a good job, and keep it up. Good job. Okay, go. Since February 1st. There you go. That gave me an idea, actually. And you got a nice sizzle going on the stove top right there. Yeah. There's a.
Hey, so that's not right. Do you have your box to put that little vein in? You're gonna need this.
You may be asking yourself, is Josh going to use his chopsticks to try this?
Turn the flame off.
The answer is yes.
Turn the flame off.
There we go.
Still on.
Right there. All right. We'll send us those pictures so we can get those pasted on our Facebook page, the Pawtucket Food Service Program. All right. Thank you.